Hey there, fellow bike enthusiasts. Is that annoying creaking or clicking sound from your handlebars ruining your ride? Don't worry. Today, we'll dive into how to fix handlebar sound in a bike and get you back to a silent and smooth cycling experience. Whether it's a casual ride in the park or an intense mountain trail, your handlebars should be the least of your worries. Let's explore simple steps to eliminate that pesky noise. Step 1. Identify the source of the sound. Before you can fix the problem, you'll need to identify the source of the handlebar noise. To do this, start by gently moving the handlebars side to side while the bike is stationary. Listen closely to pinpoint where the sound is emanating. It could be the connection between the handlebars and the stem, the headset, or perhaps even the brake levers. Knowing where to focus will save you time and effort. Step 2. Tighten all bolts. Once you've identified the source, the next step is to check and tighten all bolts in the handlebar area. Use a suitable Allen wrench to ensure all bolts connecting the bar to the stem and the stem to the steerer tube are secure. Be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can strip the bolts or damage components. Most handlebars have torque specifications, so refer to your bike's manual for guidance. Tightening may resolve the sound issue if loose bolts were the culprit. Step 3. Inspect and re-grease components. If tightening the bolts doesn't solve the issue, it's time to inspect and re-grease the components. First, remove the handlebars and clean the clamping surfaces on both the stem and handlebar. Use a bicycle-safe degreaser to wipe away any dirt or old grease. Next, apply a thin layer of fresh grease to these surfaces before reassembling. Grease reduces friction and can help eliminate noises caused by dry metal on metal contact. Step 4. Check the headset. Another common source of handlebar noise is the headset. To check this component, hold the front brake and rock the bike back and forth. If you feel any play, the headset may be too loose. Use appropriate tools to adjust the headset tension. The ideal tension will hold the handlebar securely without impeding smooth steering. After adjustments, remember to tighten the stem bolts to secure everything in place. Step 5. Examine accessories and cables. Sometimes the sound might not be from the handlebars themselves, but from accessories or cables. Inspect any attached accessories such as bells, lights, or phone mounts and ensure they're secure. Additionally, make sure the brake and gear cables are not causing the noise by rubbing against each other or other parts of the bike. Adjust and secure cables if necessary. And there you have it, your comprehensive guide on how to fix handlebar sound in a bike. With these straightforward steps, you can eliminate those annoying noises and enjoy your rides in peace. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your bike in top condition, so don't wait for problems to escalate. Prioritize safety and efficiency by regularly inspecting and maintaining your bike components. Happy cycling.